Imagine fresh lettuce for your salad, picked right from your windowsill. Let's make it real. We begin with these tiny lettuce seeds, holding the promise of a bountiful harvest.
Carefully sow your seeds, just barely covering them with a thin layer of soil. Within days, you'll witness the magic as the first tiny sprouts break through the earth. These delicate seedlings are the beginning of your fresh, homegrown lettuce supply. Thinning is crucial. Give your strongest seedlings enough room to grow big and healthy. Lettuce thrives in bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct midday sun. Keep the soil consistently moist, but be gentle with your watering to protect tender leaves. A gentle organic boost every few weeks will ensure your lettuce grows strong and leafy. Watch your lettuce develop into a beautiful, full head, ready for your kitchen. Your beautiful lettuce is now fully grown and bursting with freshness, ready for harvest. Harvesting outer leaves allows for continuous growth, giving you a steady supply. Alternatively, harvest the entire head of lettuce for a bountiful single yield.
Rinse your freshly harvested lettuce to remove any soil, preparing it for your meal. Enjoy the unparalleled taste of your very own homegrown, fresh, organic lettuce salad.